I look at you or look at the camera? Oh, okay.
Just anything, okay. Hello, my name is Hite. I'm product designer. I'm graduate from Lethbridge College of Higher Education.
Hi, I'm Vanessa. If I'm not being passionate about environmental sustainability, you would find me reading crime fiction.
I designed the packaging of light bulb. So when you buy the light bulb, you can use packaging as a light shade. After people buy the product, and then they just open the packaging, and then they set up the lighting bulb to the lamp, and then you can use my product as a lampshade. Normally nowadays when people buy the product, they throw away the packaging. So I'm trying to show packaging also can use with the product. If you have a creative idea, you can make anything from that packaging.
This is my product. It is called the Tapao Kit. Tapao being the Hokkien word for takeaway. So it is actually a set of environmentally friendly, reusable takeaway ware that is designed with local food culture in mind. It's not just a conversational starter, but it's actually functional as well. Through the design of the form, I tried to make it very similar to what traditional packaging are like. So the Tapao mat emulates the wax paper packaging that we have. Next one is actually called the Tapao drink. So for this one, you have to improve on this existing form. Kopi bag, you have to pry it open and it's flimsy. But for here, it's actually a solid a white mouth like that. So you don't have to pry it open. It's very easily, you can contain drinks very easily.
One day I go some store to buy some new product, which is the lamp or a desk. I buy some product and then I come back home and then I set up the product. And that time I realized my site have so many waste packaging. So that time is my first time I thinking about what we can do more with that packaging without the waste.
Rice bags, they are very durable actually. They are woven. How do I get inspiration from this? It's actually through my mom, because my mom owns a shop. So she packs like the barley or the rice into smaller packets, and then these get thrown away. But even though they are good as new, they are very durable. They can withstand a long weight. So every time I see something gets thrown away, I would try to think of what are the possibilities. Waste shouldn't be perceived as a waste. Every resource is valuable.
Even I go cafe or somewhere, I always bring the reusable cup to make less waste. My father and then mother teach me that thinking. So I just want to share my mind to another people with my design.
Research is very, very important because research helps you to identify something that is lacking. Even though online research is important, or going to the libraries is important as well. But those are very theoretical. Even though that is good, you have to really immerse yourself in the whole setting to get that kind of first-hand experience. Don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone.
For me, most important thing is experience. I always say, if you don't try, you cannot know. Even you fail, you learn from this fail. So don't afraid anything, just try.